13 impressive tools every real man should buy. Every man knows that having the right tools in his arsenal is more than just about getting the job done. It's about getting it done right. The tools you own define your approach to tasks, from fixing things around the house to tackling bigger, more ambitious projects. In 2025, the market offers some truly impressive tools that go beyond the basics and deliver cutting-edge performance, durability, and functionality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a seasoned handyman, or just someone who values quality gear, these tools are the kind of investments that will make your life easier, your work faster, and your projects more enjoyable. Let's take a look at 13 impressive tools that every real man should consider adding to his collection. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill is a true powerhouse when it comes to tackling a variety of drilling and driving tasks. Whether you're drilling holes into wood, metal, or masonry, or driving screws into tough surfaces, this drill provides the right amount of torque and power to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long use, while the high-performance motor delivers plenty of power without sacrificing battery life. The drill's 20V lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting charge and is compatible with other DeWalt 20V tools, making it an even more valuable investment. Makita 18V Cordless Impact Driver. If you're looking for a tool that will give you the power to drive screws and fasteners with ease, the Makita 18V Cordless Impact Driver should be your go-to. This tool is designed for high torque and fast, efficient performance, making it perfect for both home projects and professional use. With its lightweight and compact design, it provides maximum control and maneuverability, which is especially important when you're working in confined spaces. The Impact Driver's brushless motor ensures longer runtime and more power, which means you'll be able to get through your tasks without interruption. Kershaw Blur Folding Knife. A quality folding knife is essential for any man, and the Kershaw Blur Folding Knife offers everything you need in a blade, durability, precision, and ease of use. This knife is built with a high-carbon stainless steel blade that holds its edge longer, so you won't need to sharpen it as often. The SpeedSafe Assistant Opening System makes it quick and easy to deploy the blade with one hand, ensuring that you're ready for any cutting task at a moment's notice. The handle, made of anodized aluminum, is designed for a secure and comfortable grip, making it perfect for heavy-duty use. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Circular Saw. When it comes to power tools, a circular saw is one of the most versatile and essential tools you can own. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Circular Saw is a top-of-the-line choice for professionals and dyers alike. Known for its exceptional cutting power and speed, this saw is equipped with a brushless motor that delivers superior performance and longer runtime. It's designed to cut through wood, metal, and other materials with ease, making it perfect for any construction, woodworking, or renovation project. The lightweight design, combined with an ergonomic handle, ensures that you can maintain control and accuracy, even during extended use. Ridge Wallet. While not a traditional tool in the sense of construction or repairs, the Ridge Wallet is a must-have for any modern man looking to stay organized and efficient. Designed to minimize bulk while maximizing functionality, this sleek, slim wallet is made of durable materials like aluminum and titanium, ensuring that your cards and cash are kept safe and secure. The RFID blocking technology protects against unauthorized scanning, adding an extra layer of security to your belongings. Its minimalist design means you can carry only the essentials, eliminating the bulk of traditional wallets. Tactical Flashlight by Surefire. When you need a flashlight that can keep up with you in any situation, the Surefire Tactical Flashlight is the one to trust. Known for its intense brightness and rugged construction, this flashlight is built to perform in even the harshest conditions. Whether you're working in the dark on a camping trip or need a reliable source of light for emergencies, this tactical flashlight will provide you with a beam that cuts through the darkness with ease. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a bag, tool belt, or pocket, and it's designed to withstand drops, impacts, and exposure to the elements. Black Plus Decker 20V Max Cordless Weed Eater. The Black Plus Decker 20V Max Cordless Weed Eater makes yard maintenance a breeze. This lightweight, cordless tool offers excellent maneuverability, allowing you to trim grass and weeds with precision and ease. Powered by a 20V lithium-ion battery, it provides consistent power without the hassle of a cord, meaning you can tackle your lawn or garden with greater flexibility. Its adjustable handle allows for a comfortable, customizable grip, while the pivoting head ensures you can reach difficult areas without straining. Cobalt 24V Cordless Angle Grinder. For those who need serious power in a compact package, the Cobalt 24V cordless angle grinder delivers. Perfect for cutting, grinding, and polishing a wide variety of materials, this grinder features a powerful motor and long-lasting battery that can handle even the toughest tasks. The 24V lithium-ion battery provides consistent performance, and the tool's design ensures comfort and control during use. Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife. For anyone who enjoys outdoor adventures or needs a reliable tool for survival, the Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife is a must-have. Known for its strength and versatility, this knife is built with a full-tang construction that offers exceptional durability and a secure grip. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, which ensures that it stays sharp even with heavy use. Whether you're cutting rope, preparing food, or using it for self-defense, the Strongarm knife is up to the challenge. Campbell Hausfeld Air Compressor. An air compressor is an essential tool for many projects, from inflating tires to powering pneumatic tools. The Campbell Hausfeld air compressor offers powerful, reliable performance for a variety of tasks. It's designed to be portable, with a compact and lightweight build that makes it easy to store and transport. Whether you're using it to power air tools like nail guns or simply need to inflate tires, sports equipment, or pool toys, this air compressor is up to the task. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and the user-friendly controls make it easy to operate for both professionals and dyers alike. Rockwell Sonicrafter Oscillating Tool. The Rockwell Sonicrafter Oscillating Tool is one of the most versatile tools you can own. Whether you need to cut, sand, scrape, or grout, this tool can handle it all. The oscillating action allows for precision cutting and sanding, making it perfect for tight spaces or intricate work. With a variety of attachments available, you can customize the tool to fit your project's needs, making it an invaluable addition to your toolbox. The compact design and comfortable grip ensure that you can work for long periods without fatigue, making it a must-have for anyone who loves working on home improvement projects or intricate repairs. Fiskars 16-inch Bypass Pruning Shears. When it comes to maintaining your garden or trimming branches, a good pair of pruning shears is essential, and the Fiskars 16-inch Bypass Pruning Shears deliver both performance and comfort. These shears feature sharp, precision ground blades that make quick work of cutting through branches up to 3/4 inch thick. The bypass design ensures a clean, precise cut, which is better for the health of your plants. The ergonomic handles reduce strain on your hands, allowing you to work for longer periods without discomfort. Greenworks 24V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. For maintaining a well-manicured garden, the Greenworks 24V Cordless Hedge Trimmer is an indispensable tool. With a powerful 24V lithium-ion battery, this trimmer delivers strong, consistent power, allowing you to trim and shape your hedges with ease. Its dual-action blades provide smooth and precise cuts, ensuring your plants and bushes stay healthy and neat. The ergonomic design ensures that you can trim for extended periods without straining, while the cordless design gives you the freedom to move around without worrying about tangled cords. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.